Hello guys, welcome to the kitchen. Thank you guys for stopping by. Today we are going to be making some delicious Cameroonian trotter sauce. So let's jump right into the ingredients. So when I make my trotter sauce, I use tomatoes, of course, but when I blend it, I like to blend my tomatoes with the stem of my celery. Now because it's trotter sauce, of course we are going to need trotters. Now I'm going to be using some blended garlic and ginger, some chopped green spices, which includes some celery, some parsley, and some spring onions. Then I'm also going to need some chopped onions. I'm going to be using the regular habanero pepper and some green pepper, some white pepper and some curry powder, and then salt and seasoning cubes, and of course oil. So in the process, I'm going to start by washing my trotters, and I'm going to cut half a lemon and just sprinkle it on my trotters just to wash it. If you know trotters, you know that some of them actually do have like a smell, and to get that out you need to do this process. So I wash it with some lemon, and then I pour some hot water on the trotters, and then I rinse it out and put it in the pot and start cooking. Now we'll go ahead and spice our trotters. If you've been watching me, you would notice that whenever I am steaming my meat, I always like to add in whatever ingredient I'm going to be using for my sauce or for my soup. I'm going to add it in my meat. So you would see me add white pepper, curry, ginger and garlic, seasoning cubes, salt. Like I go extra when I spice my meats, and sometimes I end up using the broth, but because this is trotters, I will not be using the broth from the trotters. So I go ahead and blend my tomatoes, and while I'm blending my tomatoes, I already have my trotters on the fire. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to take it off the fire. I will throw away the stock. I'm not going to use it. So I put my tomato on fire, allow it to boil for like 15 minutes, and then I go in with salt, seasoning, garlic and ginger. At this point, I had already put in the green peppers you guys saw earlier. So I do not chop my green peppers like onions, and yeah, I just put it in whole just because I want the flavor. I love to have the flavor of green pepper in my sauce. That's the only reason why I put it. So after adding my trotters, I allowed the tomato to boil again for another 45 minutes. Yes, that's how long it was on the fire, because if your tomato doesn't boil for long, it's going to be sour. And I always advise, and I always do it, I always pre-boil, like I batch boil my tomato, and when I want to cook my sauce, it doesn't take me up to 15 minutes. But for the sake of this video, I had to do the boiling, the blending and everything. So yeah, after that length of time, which is like totally an hour now, I go ahead and add my pepper, I add my green spices, and then I add some onions. And after this, I'm going to add some oil, and that's pretty much it for my trotter sauce. Everything is already in the pot. After adding all of this, I leave it again for like 2 minutes on the fire, and then I take it out, because the heat from the sauce is of course going to cook the onions and the green spices, and I do not actually want it to become soggy. So yeah, I served my delicious trotter sauce with some white coconut rice. I have the recipe of that coconut rice on the channel. If you want to see it, it will be linked down in the description box and in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you guys on my next one. What recipe would you like to see how I make? Please drop it down in the comment section, and I will be glad to share it with you guys. Thank you guys. Bye.